Hi everyone! So there's two things I want to talk to you about today. The first one is Jackson's watercolor sale, and the second is their free shipping on brush-only orders. First up is their watercolor sale. I was just browsing through Jackson's as I normally do, and I discovered that most of the watercolor brands are on sale. Here I am scrolling through the webpage to show you that most of the brands are on sale indeed. There's only a few that aren't on sale, like Daniel Smith and Old Holland, but most of them are on sale. Even watercolor sets are on sale as well, so depending on the brand, some might not be on sale, but most of them are, so do check those out if you've been waiting for a watercolor sale. And there's a few things I'd like to mention. First up, Roman Small is on sale. Their sets are also on sale, so do check those out if you were interested in getting any of those. Schminke Horrordam is also on sale. Their super granulation half pans and 15 milliliter tubes are on sale, as well as their sets. I'm going through these very quickly, but don't worry, I've already put the links to everything down below in the description box, so you can find all that there. And moving on to Holbein, I was looking at their sets and Holbein has to have one of the most unique palettes ever. So if you haven't had a look at these Holbein ones, do check those out. And if you've had your eye on them already, maybe it's a good time to buy something for yourself or even for a friend, family member. Maybe it's someone's birthday coming up. Okay, second order of business is the free delivery on brush-only orders over $45 USD or 55 Canadian dollars. And I don't know if most of you know this or not, but prior to COVID, Jackson's did offer this free delivery on brush-only orders. However, after COVID happened, things got messed up and then they basically stopped offering this free delivery on brush orders. And you know what? I get it. It makes sense. But yeah, I recently saw this on their brushes page and I was like, oh, they've brought it back. That's so good. So I thought I needed to tell you guys and let you know. While I'm here talking about brush orders, I thought I'd let you know that Jackson's does carry some Rosemary & Co. brushes. I particularly like this set because it's specifically for water media like us watercolorists, and this one is a sable blend of pure red sable and synthetic fibers. I also wanted to draw your attention to this brush set made by Da Vinci in collaboration with the artist Froholle. I'm not sure how you say that. I'm so sorry, Germans out there. So this brush set has been on my wish list for a while now, and I recently tried searching it up on Jackson's website and it just doesn't show up in the searches. But I had it saved in my favorites list, and apparently the listing is still there, and I just wanted to let you know that Jackson's has it in case you were interested in it. That's all. And to recap, Jackson's seems to be having a watercolor sale and has brought back free shipping for brush-only orders for those above $45 USD. If you decide to purchase any of their products, I would really appreciate it if you would consider using any of my affiliate links below. I would really appreciate it and it would really help support this channel. And for those of you who have been using my affiliate links, thank you so much. It really means a lot to me. Well, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to drink lots of water and stay hydrated.